Yeah, good evening everyone. Let us start it. This is the second day for this 15-day certificate course on the MS Office, including the MS Word, Excel and the PowerPoint.
Good evening, everyone.
So let us start it. In yesterday's class we discussed about the home and some of the points of the home. Today we will start with the cut, copy, paste. That is very important. What is the use of the cut, copy, paste and how to do it? There are two options to work on the cut, copy and the paste. The first one is this one. These are the icons of cut, copy and the paste. So cut, this is the cut, this one is the copy and the paste. Basically, what is the difference between these three one? Either you go for the cut and paste or you go with the copy and paste. So the difference is very clear. In case of the copy and paste, your content will one more copy will be there. It will be copied and you can paste it on the another location. The difference is, in case of the copy, your content that will exist in the old location also, but in case of the cut, it will removed from the old location, just paste on the new location. So that is the difference. हम लोग करके देखते हैं. Let us start it. Suppose this is my material, this is my content. I just control X. Remember one more thing, I am talking about the short keys of the cut, copy, paste. For the cut, you press the control X. This is the control X. I pressed. And suppose I would like to paste this content at here, the same we would like to paste it after responsibilities and authorities, this one. So what happened, it pasted on the new location but removed from the old location. So that is the cut and the paste. But in case of our copy and paste, what will happen? It pasted on the new location but not removed from the old location also. So control and the key we used for in case of the copy, that is the control C. For copy, control C. For cut, control X. And for paste, control V. So control C for the copy, and suppose we would like to paste here, control V. So it's come on the new location but also available on the old location also, in case of the copy and paste. But in case of the cut and paste, it come on the new location but removed from the old location. So that is the difference between the cut paste and the copy paste. So this is very basic. Let us talk about the next one. See, जैसे हम लोग लिखते हैं this 5 and 5. 5 हम लोग चाह रहे हैं कि we want it the root of this 5 square हम लोग चाह रहे हैं. देखिए ये this can be possible, और अगर हम लोग इसको अंडर डाउन चाह रहे हैं तो that can be also possible. Basically these two icons used in the mathematics when you as a teacher or as a college professor, if you are making the question paper for your students, you can use this one. So let us go on the next one. I think some disturbance are here. Some construction work is moving on outside the inside the street, so that is the problem, right? Actually, so this one and this one are for the mathematical. This one, that is also very important. See, I selected one thing. I told you yesterday that if you want to use any of the key will implement when you select your content. This A is the capital A and the small a. Click on this one. 5 options are here: the sentence case, the lower case, the upper case, and the study that if you want to use any of them, implement when you select your content. This A is the capital and the small. Okay, I was checking the voice. Sentence case. What is the sentence case? In the sentence case, the first word always come in the in the upper case, and the rest of the words come in the lower case. So sentence case may by default, if you want that condition, so you click on the sentence case. And if you want lower case, then every word of your content that will come in the condition of the lower case. See, so the T, the president P, the of O, the India I, they all come in the lower case. And in case of the upper case, this is the upper case. See, so what is the use of it? Suppose we type some content, and after completed our task, we feel that something is wrong. It would be in the upper case, but we typed in the small case. So need not worry. No need to go back. No need to delete it and type once again. Very clear. I think these are very basic terms. Everybody out of you participant are familiar, but this is my duty. So that's why I'm going step by step. Doesn't matter you know or you do not know. Even if a single participant is not able to is not familiar with the MS Word, so I am working for everyone. So this is for the sentence case, lower case, and the upper case, and mainly these three are very important, and this toggles case is also important. इसमें क्या रहता है? अब हमारा हो जाएगा दिस वन. ये कैसे काम करता है? ये किसी पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन में कि फर्स्ट वर्ड कम इन द लोअर केस एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ विल कम इन द अपर केस. जनरली ये यूज नहीं होता है. वी यूज दिस वन. द बेस्ट इज द सेंटेंस केस. नॉर्मल कंडीशन में वी यूज द सेंटेंस केस, बट इन सम ऑफ द फ्यू कंडीशन वी कैन यूज द अपर केस ऑल्सो. सो बाकी का ज़्यादा यूज नहीं है फॉर यू एज ए टीचर. इसी का रहता है. अपर केस हम लोग यूज करके ले सकते हैं. So this one, the next one is this AB and this A. So this is for the background. See, background color. We select it. First of all, we need to select it, otherwise it will not work out. This one. So no color. If you want to remove it, no color, or we go undo. We go back, and this is for change the color of the font of the words. It's for the background and it's for the words. Suppose this is in the देखिए President of India, that is in red color. That is because of this icon. We want all the content in the red color. That can be possible. So these two are for the changing the color of our words. The next one is these four icons are related to the alignments. So alignment is what? This is one kind of one alignment, the left side. See, the complete content will come in the left side, left onwards, and this is for the right onwards. This is one kind of the Urdu format. So this is for the center. Which one is the good? Which one is normally used by the professors in the formal letter writing? This one, the fourth one, this one. So uh, for this, which key, short key used for this one, the align text right side, we can use the control R. Control R for the right side onwards, for the center onwards control E, and for the left onwards control L, and for this one the control J. So these are the short keys, means either you use this toolbar or you can implement it with the help of your keyboard. If you want to execute it with the help of the keyboard, so you use control J, control R, and two others. So these four are icons are used for the to change the alignment, and this fourth one is the ideal. So generally it used. The next one, either you use this icon, the arrow upward and the downward, or you can go with the paragraphs also. This one. So what is the use of these two? It change the space or the gap between your content, one line and the second line. The President of India and is the ceremonial head of the states. These are two lines. So how much space you want between these two lines is depend on this arrow, or either you go on these paragraphs. Let us work one by one on both of them. Click on this one. So right now this is the 1.5. This is the ideal, we can say, the space. Generally when you write a formal letter, or I know about the MD University Rohtak because I am PhD from this university. So in my PhD, in my university, the ideal you can say the space is the 1.5. It's depend you. If you go with the 2.0, in some of the university you can use 2.0 when you are working on your thesis. So 1.15 or 1, and if suppose we click on the 2, see, it's up to you. Means that increase, if you want to increase or you want to decrease the gap between the one line and the another line, so you use this icon. And the same work of the paragraph also. You click on this paragraph button. This is the gap 60. Don't add space between, multiple to single, and then we click on this one. See, it's remove the gap between one line and the another line. So this can be used. Generally we use 1.5, and we change the case also, the sentence case. These three icons are the next one used for the bullet, numbering, and for the multi-level list, means heading and then subheading and sub to subheading. So what is the use of this one? We click on this one. These are the icons. This one, it's changing accordingly. So it's up to you which bullet you want. As per your requirement, you can select any of the bullet if you want. This I changed it. So this is the bullet, and this is the numbering. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. In this format also, ABC, small ABC, ABC, and Roman also 1, 2, 3. So if you have suppose 50 pages and you want to give the numbering, so don't go for manual work. You select your all of the content, all of the paragraphs. By default it's work on your paragraphs. It's not work on your every lining, it work on the paragraph. The next one, this one, the multi-level. What kind of you want? This one, A, then heading, subheading, and then again subheading, heading to subheading. So it's up to you as per the requirement. You can use this third one. This is basically used for the alphabets, and this icon is generally used by the research scholars when they are working on their thesis, and used in chapter number 6, references and bibliography. So in many of the universities, as per the norms, it is mandatory that the name of the authors in your references, they should be in alphabetic format. either upward or downwards. Either you start from A and A to Z or Z to A. So you can use it when you select your content and you click on this one. So it will ask you either use go with the ascending order or the descending order. So paragraphs का यहाँ रहता है you use the paragraphs in the sense it will work according to the paragraphs, like the president, the T, again the president T, and according ये आपका हो गया A. So ascending और descending में जब हम लोग करेंगे, so it's change accordingly. Either it start with the A and over with the T and vice versa. So this is for the alphabetics. This is for theme color. Which color you would like to give to your content? Suppose this one and any of. So next, the next is the table. So this is what? All borders. So right border. This is the right border. So this is one kind of table, top border. If you would like to cover your content through the border, the left side, the right side, the center side, the upward or the downward, so you can use this icon. The next one is I'm just seeking your response. Please send your written text. You are getting me or not? You are getting properly or not? I am waiting for your response. So next one is, this is what? Change style. Which style you want? The normal style, the no space style, the heading style, the A, small a, capital B, small b, and all. These are the styles which can be used. The next one is very important, the find and the replace. Generally we used the keyboard for these two icons, the find and the replace, but you can use the toolbar also. This is the find. You click on this find button and suppose you want to search 53. So you click on 53 and you press the find next. So it is showing the 53. So suppose there are 300 pages in our thesis, and in 300 pages we would like to search one particular word. We want to search it. So how we can do it? We go on the search, find what we actually would like to find out. We type here and we click the find next button. So what will happen? Suppose this particular word is located on page number 152. So directly it will go on the page number 152. No need to search every page and every chapter and every line and all. So this one, and replace is what? I'm talking about the short key also of this find. Either you click, you can open it with the help of this icon, the find, the right side on the toolbar, the main toolbar, desktop toolbar, and the next one is Control F. Control F is the same, and for replace it is Control H. Replace. So replace is what? 53. We feel that it was not 53, it was 63. So we replace this 53 with the 63, replace all. So now this one is the, what will happen? This 53 is now 63. जितना भी जहाँ भी 53 होगा वो क्या हो जाएगा? That will become the 63. The replace, the find, and the select. We already discussed about this select. Control A. As I told you in the last class, that if you would like to select all 300 pages, so what you can do? You can go with Control A. Your all 300 pages, the complete content will select out. So this is all about the desktop tools and the home pages. One more is remaining, this one, undo. This is it means undo, replace all. Control Z you can use for this undo. It means one step back. See, these are the step backs. We came on the previous position. So this is moving forward, and this is moving backward. So one step back and one step next. So we can use as per the requirement these two. So basically these are desktop toolbar, and we already covered the home pages also. So let us go on the next one, the insert. This is the second one. This is the insert. Desktop toolbar, and we already covered the home page. Yeah. In the insert, the first is the cover page. So this is the cover page. It help us. Yeah, it is providing some already prepared formats for writing the letter. Suppose you would like to write a letter to your customer. So which format is suitable, you can choose as per your requirement. Suppose we select this one. So what will happen, we can write the year at here, the type of our company, and we can work on this one. आप company type कर सकते हैं अपना company name, and you can write the year also. Year आपको यहाँ से ये find out हो जाएगा, आप आज का date का इसमें ले सकते हैं. तो it show your year also, and the same on the footer, and this is your footer, header and the footer. You can write the name of your company and the address of your company. So if you want any idea about your formal letter, so you can use this cover page. This is basically for writing a formal letter. Blank page. If you want a blank page, you can use this one. Your written content will move on the next page. See one thing, the rest of the content moved on the second page, but this Wellness Gurukul Academy Private Limited, New Delhi, that not moved, and you can see it on every page number 3 and 4, 5. And let us go on the last page. This is the last page, and if suppose we would like to increase the number of pages, right now there are 5 pages. We are moving on the page number 6. See, when we move on the page number 6, by default automatically we are getting this, the red color Wellness Gurukul Academy. So how it is possible? It is possible with the help of the header and the footer. We will discuss it here. So let us discuss about this one first, as we starting the discussion on this point. This is the header. Header is what? Header, the head, footer is the foot. So you can write any of the content, and when you open a new page on the same document, I am talking about the same document. My document is the President of India. When I open the new, create a new page downward. So by default or automatically you can find the same content. So footer, header is for the upward on the top of the page, and footer is for the down of the page. So you can write any of the content. Suppose I already written down it. So when I go on next page, the same content will be there. So you can use it as a letterhead. You write your content about your company, your college name, your college logo, your college email ID, address, and all the things. One time you write it as a header, or you write some of the contents for the address of your company as a footer. The next time onwards, when you write a new and next letter, next letter, no need to write your company name and school name and college name and logos again and again. You write once as a header and footer, automatically it will move on. But condition is that you work only one document. Suppose I close this document, President of India, and I open the new document, document 1, it will not be there. So for that you have to make setting at first. You have to written down it. You have to execute it. Only then you will be able to find it. So header and footer you can use. This is the header and this is the footer. Footer for the down of the page. This one suppose. So I type suppose my name Amit. So what will going on? It will be on every page. See, this is Amit and the next page this is Amit. So you need to write only you need to write one time and you will find it on every page. So header and the footer. So let us go on the next one. The page break, if you would like to break your page in two parts, so you can use this one, break page, where it basically required when it generally required by the accountant or the cashier in your school or the college. Fee receipt, I am talking about the fee receipt, when you are giving fee receipt on the half page. Then in my school also one page is used for two receipts, so they use this page break. The next one is the table, very simple and very useful table. See, the table is 2 by 2. This is 2 by 2. See, this is my table. So as per your requirement, you can formulate your table, and lot of things are here, which kind of table you required. So as per the requirement, you just work out on it. In case of any doubt, in case of any problem, please ask me. Generally there is no problem about this one, it's very easy. You want to border in this content also, so whatever you want, the insert, this is table, and let us go with the let us click the undo. We came on the previous or the current position. Table picture, if you would like to insert any of the picture at here from your laptop on this particular page, this document, so you can do that. Suppose I am inserting one of my photo or any of the photo related to your job, so you can do that. See, this is my photo. So a lot of options are here. See this one, I can change the design of the photos. Change picture, the compressed picture, if you would like to change the size of the picture. Contrast आप इसका contrast आप change करना चाहते हैं, if you would like to change the brightness, so that can be also possible. Picture shape, you would like to change the picture shape, picture border, picture effects. So if you would like to change the size also, that can be also possible. Heights and the width, you can increase or decrease the height and the width of your this particular picture. And you can crop also. Crop, we are very familiar about the crop in our WhatsApp when we fix our DP. So before fixing it, it required crop. So this is crop. So let us come on the next word. I'm sure you understand this one. This picture clip art, the same. Some videos will be, some pictures will be there. So you can use, you can insert, and you can import your pictures from your location and you can insert here. The next one is the shape. How the shape will work out. Lot of this different shapes are here. See, let us come on the next page. First, shapes. Suppose you would like this arrow button. So let us work at here. This is arrow. If you want two arrow, select it, Control C and Control V. Again Control V, again Control V, again Control V. So these are the 5 arrows. So as per your requirement, you can select any one in shape. Generally we use these when we are conducting any of the program in our school and we would like to make any directions for the visitors. This one. So that can be possible. You can increase the size also. See this one. So lot of options are here in the shapes. Insert then shape. Anyone you can choose and just put your cursor on the screen. It will work out. Suppose I select this and this is my cursor. I put on the screen and it's ready. So these are the shapes. Smart arts and charts is also the same kind. Chart, this is the chart. If you would like to insert any of the chart, so you can select this one. Yeah, this is the basic requirement for the chart. This chart is based on the content, on the figures. So this chart can be, you can formulate this chart with the help of the figure. Because without figure, it is meaningless. There is no use of the chart until unless you do not have the figures. So text box is also here. What kind of content you want? Either you want on the left side, upwards, left side, downwards, and many more options are here. So you can use it. Word art is also here. Word art basically used if you would like to write some content inside the circle. You make a circle and you suppose you would like to insert some content. You would like to write something inside the circle, so you can use the word art. The signature line, the object is also important. We will discuss when we discuss about the references. And equations and symbols, they used basically generally by the math teachers. A lot of options will be there. See, these are the mathematical tools. Plus, minus, and lot of are there. I'm sorry, I'm not very much familiar about all these one because I do not have mathematical background. So these are a lot of options are here. You can if you are working on your question paper, you are making any question paper for your students, so you can use it. Let us come on the next one. Symbol and equations, they are same, one kind of same. Let us go and let us do the undo. We come on the previous position. See, those symbols is also here. These are the symbols, dollar and pounds and ols, sigma, and these are the equations. So you can use the equations also. This is the binomial theorem. This is the area of circle. This is the formula of expansion of sum, and Taylor expansion, whatever. Pythagorean theorem. This is the formula. So no need to write it. No, it's already at here. You can insert it. This one. So we completed the second one. Some of the points are remaining in the insert. We will discuss with the. It's actually correlated with the references and the review. So we will discuss there. Let us come on next one. This one. The third one is the page layout. The third one is page layout. I'm not getting any written response from your side. Are you people are getting me or not? So let us meanwhile we are working on it. I am waiting your written response also. You are getting me or not? see, this is the color, the same, the font. You can use the font and theme. Theme, it's up to you. You can change the theme. Margin is for what? Page margin. So generally we take this one 2.54 each side, the top left and the bottom and the right. But if your content you have big content, if you have, so you can select this one also. So I think I already this one we can see this. So as per your requirement, you go with the this margin option and you select as per your requirement. And the orientation means the either you portrait it or the landscape it. This is the landscape. Now you get the printout in the landscape format, and this is the portrait. And the same is your size. We already discussed about the, I think we discussed about the size yesterday when we discussed about the print. So this is the letter and A4 and A5 executive and the legal size. Generally we use the A4 in our school and the colleges. Column is very important. How we work on the column, let us check it. One example is here. See, we are talking about the column. So this is the column. So this side, one side and the another side. So if you want two portions of one page, the single page, you want two portions, the left portion and the right portion. Generally if you give the exam of the STAT, CTAT or UGC NET, so what will happen at there? One side the Hindi medium and the another side the English medium. So how it is possible, and if you would like to draw one line between the left and on the center, that can be also possible with the help of this icon, the page layout. Let us move again on the President of India documents. So how it is possible? Column, select two column. So my content will, this is in the two columns. If you want three columns, that is also possible. These are the three columns. So that can be possible as per your requirement. And how to draw the line between these two or three columns? More columns, you go on the more column option and line between. So a lot of options are there. What exactly width and the spacing you want between one and two column. So that can be possible. You can change it, you can insert it as per your requirement. Number of column, how much you required, 3, 2, you select 2, you can select 3, 4, left side or the left side, right side. And if you would like to draw a line between the columns, as I already done it, and this of my documents, this is the line between these two. So that can be possible with the help of this line between and OK. So what will happen? It will change. It will convert into the left side and the right side column. So this is the column. Watermark is basically how we use it, where we use it. The watermark is used, let us work on it. Suppose one of the academy, and you are getting the coaching in academy and they are providing you their notes. So many of time you have seen that on a particular page, A4 size pages, in the center of the content, in the light, with the light design, they write the name of their company or their institute or their academy. So in a fed color. So that can be possible with the help of this watermark. Let us see it. Do not copy, confidential, custom watermark. Suppose I use this one, or no watermark, text watermark I want. It's up to we what we would like to write here. ASAP. Suppose I change it. See what will happen. See it. This is the wellness. Center of the page and in the dull color, in the fade color. So this is wellness. When I get the printout in very light color in the center of the page, that there will be the wellness Gurukul Academy. So watermark is one kind of branding, one kind of advertisement. If we are giving any notes to of the participants or the students, so generally the academy or the tuition centers, they use this watermark for their advertisement. Like it will come on this format, this downward to upward, the center of the page, like this confidential, do not copy. If you want left to right, downward to upward, and any of the format you can select. And if you would like to, these are by default some of the formats: do not copy, confidential, and draft, and sample. If you want your own, you want to insert your own, you go on the customer watermark, you select the language, in which language you want it, you write your content, you select your font, you select your size, and you after that you click on the apply button and the OK button. So what will happen? The watermark will come backside the content, behind the content. So this is very useful for you. If you are giving your notes to your students, you use it, you write your name, you write the name of your schools. And if suppose one of the some other students, any students of the another school, other schools, if suppose they are using your notes, so you can, if you want to promote yourself, you can promote your school. So that can be possible with the help of the watermark. Page color is page color. This is the color to my page, to the complete page. So this is the, if you are making any kind of design, so you can use it. Page color. Let us use it, page color. Yeah, this type of page border is also possible. Page border basically we used when we are working on our resume by data. So we use this page border. Which one is, this one is okay and okay. Now my all the content will covered by this, the outside page border. So indent and the spacing we already discussed about this spacing. Spacing is basically the same, paragraphs and this one logo. So this is the spacing, how much spacing you required, 10 pt, 6 pt between one line and the another line, that can be possible with the help of this one. So this is indent and the spacing. These are basic icons. So in case of any doubt, you can ask me. We already done the homework and the home, the insert and the page layout. If you have any doubt, let us discuss. Let us discuss about You have any doubt about the home, insert and the page layout? Insert and the page layout. Uh, I think participants, okay, okay, okay. Uh, oh, right now I get all this content. Yeah, yes. Okay, Vijay sir, I will tell you. So this is all about, yeah, I note down your question, sir. Let me check it. Uh, this is the home. Vijay sir, in 2007 window, I think it's not possible. In the new version of the MS Word, there is the symbol of rupees. So let me check it on this one also in 2007 version of this MS Word. I note down your query. I will reply you soon. So this is home, insert and page layout. We already done this 3-1. Ask any question about this one. So this is all about MS Word today. Let us work on some more features. I am asking to all of you about the Google Drive. Are you people aware about the Google Drive? Are you aware about the Google Drive? This is the Google Drive. That can be possible. You sign in your email ID and you go on this button, the Google app, and you can select the drive. This is the Google Drive, and when you click on this drive button, this page will open out, and this is my drive. So when you click on the my drive, there are Google Docs and the Google Sheets and Google Slides. These Google Docs, Google Sheets and Google Drive are the advanced version, you can say, of MS Word, MS Excel and the MS PowerPoint. A lot of new features are here, so we will discuss about these features also. And if you required one video about this Google form is help to all of the teachers, especially in case of the in the era of the corona, when you make MCQ type question paper for your students. So people use this Google forms. I already conducted 3-4 workshop on this Google form and some other apps also, the required teaching tools. So blank form, I already make one video about this one. So if you required, you tell me, I will provide you. So after completing this our MS Word, Excel and the PowerPoint, we come in last 2-3 days we talk about the Google Docs and Google Sheets and Google Slide in my drive also. So these are very important and very advanced feature they have, and they have some special features except our simple MS Word and Excel and the PowerPoint. So I think it's enough for the today. If you have any doubt about today's schedule or any doubt about yesterday's, or I think some of the people they have doubt about the assignment, yesterday's assignment. So in case of any doubt, please ask me. I am waiting for your response for next 2-3 minutes. I think no doubt. So let us go. The next class will be tomorrow, the same time, 7 p.m. if other things being equal, otherwise we change the time as per the requirement. So thanks to all of you. Thank you.